So, bro, this. You know, last week, bro, this stop, this high, this swing high is, let's say, in any swing high, we have liquidity lying above it. Like this we have liquidity here. So what the price did is it hit that swing high. You see, it pushed down, and you can see this is an imbalance. You see it trading up without any down candle, bro. You can see it, bro. So this is the imbalance. What price did it? Hit this imbalance and pushed up.
It took the liquidity,
What?
didn't it? The little wick, it took liquidity, right?
Yeah, yeah, it took liquidity.
And then it went down to the imbalance.
Yes, went down to this imbalance, and this is, let's say, this is an imbalance. This area, bro. This
That's
area is
imbalance too.
this one. This is an imbalance. Let's go. If you go to the lower time frame, like if you go to the 15 minutes, and if you break down to lower time frame, you see this. This is just a fair value gap. So what price did it? It retraced back to this imbalance, because a lot of people will be selling from this resistance, a lot of retail traders. So what you look for is, where do they have their stops? Retail traders will sell here and have their stops above this high. So what price did is it retraced back to this imbalance and went to grab their stop losses, boom, and it started dropping. You see, bro. So I call these cells from here, and I had buys from here as well. So what I'm looking for is, I'm looking for price to retrace. ICT says for an order block to be valid, or for an higher probability order block, you need
Say
to
that
have
again.
an imbalance. What, bro?
Say that again. You said
If you watch ICT, bro, he said for an order block to be valid, bro, you need to have an imbalance close to the order block, bro. This is an imbalance.
okay.
This is a fair value gap, bro. Let's break down to lower time frame. This is a fair value gap. You can see price trading up without any down close standing. You say, like, you can see price trading up. Imbalance is when price trades predominantly in retracement or sell candle in a buying candle. You get me, bro?
So the order block is right there, and then
Yes, you
there's
have
a
yes, we have an order block here as well, bro.
yeah, and then you got the fair value gap.
Yes, we got the fair value gap. So for this order block to be valid and for it to have higher probability, you need this imbalance to be, this fair value gap to be around the order block. You know, what I'm looking for is this. This is already a break of structure. We can have cells, the breaker cells around these levels, bro. Around these levels I marked out. You can see this is a break of structure. You can have little retracement and sell, and boom, can take away these highs, this liquidity, this trend line liquidity, because a lot of people will be looking to sell from this point. Yeah, so it can take away these highs. So
Hey, bro,
yeah,
isn't that a breaker too, or no?
yeah, which
That's a
one, bro?
breaker, right?
This one, the line,
Yeah,
yeah, this line is a breaker.
yeah.
You're talking about this line,
So
right?
yeah, so it could probably sell from
Sales,
that line
yeah,
to
you could buy
to
side,
get the
yeah,
fair value
yeah, you
to
could buy
to
sales,
hit.
but you need confirmation entry, bro. You can say I marked it out. You need confirmation entry to get in, or you could find sales there. Confirmation entry, you break down to the 5 minutes. You look for a little drop in price and return to fair value gap. This you could find sales around this area, bro. This could be a breaker sales. You can go down to the
Yeah.
1 minute time frame. So let's take a look at how price moved on the 1 minute time from last week, bro.
Yeah.
You can see this drop, bro. You can see this drop in price from this point. This is the lower time frame confirmation I was telling you about. This is basically a break of structure, and you look for the imbalance within this level. Okay. Anytime like expected to anticipate some measure of stop and high stops on short-term high being taken out. This talking about grab of liquidity and when I'm watching this ICT, I watch his videos on index trading concept and they talk about the AM trend and the PM trend. So that's why whenever I want to trade NAS, bro, I basically hop on the charts. I'll just leave the charts. I just go to the charts by New York Open or I go by BM trend. A lot of people don't trade. When you trade NAS with time, bro, it becomes so easy, bro. You see those charts I've been sending you. You know when is the AM trend? The AM trend is 8:30 New York Open, and the PM trend while trading, while when I was studying the index trading concept, you see this place you can find an imbalance around here. You see price move low and what you have this low. Why I draw this line? Why I marked out this line? I saw this as a support, bro. This one, a lot of people was buying, thinking that price will go higher. A lot of retail traders, but you also retail traders trading with the institutional concept. See this line, bro. I had this line before price moved low. I was saying this is support for retail traders. And you know what price did, bro? Watch how it moved a bit higher from here. You see this support line. A lot of people were buying, thinking price will keep pushing. What it did, it took away their stop.
Shot down, bro.
Yeah. So this, I've been trading only now. So, bro, what chart do you want to look at, bro? What other chart do you want to look at?
Let's look up. Wait, what the trend line is just for bias, right?
Which trend line, bro?
The one on the top and the one on the bottom, the diagonal one.
This
No, no,
this one.
yeah,
But this is trend line liquidity, bro. Like why I say this trend line liquidity, you can see price. If you watch ICT 2016 mentorship, it says like trend line liquidity is a trap for retail traders. You see, bro, you can see how price is reacting off this trend line, bro. A lot of retail traders will think price whenever price keeps touching this area, it will sell off, bro.
yeah,
So
yeah.
what they do is whenever price touches this area, one touch, they'll try to sell. And you can see this is already a liquidity, bro. This is just like having this is just money. All these sales here is just money sales, bro. See how price is tapping on the first line, second line. So what they do is they want to sell here. That's why I drew this trend line to show me their traps, for retail traders.
Yeah.
And this why I drew this out, bro. This is SMT divergence. I see some people use RSI for this. Some people use RSI indicator, but I don't trade. But what I see this is as SMT divergence it is like a kind of confirmation that price will move higher. Smart money tools. The confirmation that price will move higher when you have a lower high and lower lows. This is just what I have for this week, bro. And whatever it is. But I'll be looking for me to get in here, I'll be looking for confirmation entry. You know, that's the key, confirmation entry. So I have let me check if I can find some screenshot of the trades I took last week. Some screenshot of the trades I took last week.
It
Bro,
zooms over.
can you see it? Wait, it's loading, bro. See this setup, bro. Setup like this are so powerful. I took this buys and what's been I don't know why it's taking time to load, bro.
Let it take its time.
This. So can you see this clearly, bro?
Yeah, I see, bro. I see it clear.
Yeah. You see these things grab of liquidity. This is just like an SMT divergence. If you can see this from this point, can you see my cursor, bro? Can you see my cursor?
Yeah.
Yeah, from this point to this point, it's just like an SMT divergence. Whenever you see this like this, it is a confirmation to buy. And what else I saw is break of structure. I can see some imbalance here and return to imbalance. Okay, for me, for my entry,
Wait, bro. Wait. You said that's a sign to buy?
it is a confirmation to buy. Like it's a confirmation that is a reversal confirmation. Like it's the confirmation that price is gonna reverse from that point.
Okay. But
Yeah,
bro, you don't use a RSI though, right?
yeah, I don't use it. I don't use it. But RSI can show you like it can show in a line. RSI is just like lines, bro. Stuff like that.
Okay.
Yeah, so RSI can show you that this this is an SMT. SMT is like a lower high. If you watch this ICT mentorship, I think month 4 or probably month 4. So what made me take this buy is I saw a break of structure up here and it retraced back to this imbalance. And at this imbalance, I saw price move higher, took away this high, and retraced back to the imbalance. So you see my entry was right at the imbalance, 50% of the imbalance, and this is what you got. Look like I got in with less drawdown. I think probably less than a point drawdown, and look at what price gave you.
But bro,
Yeah,
so going back to the divergence,
yes,
it 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 was already at a low, right? It took down. It was already at a like a deep discount, right?
yeah,
That's why you say it's divergence there.
yes. Wait, bro,
Gotcha, bro.
yeah. This is the buys, and this was the sells on NAS. This sells I was telling you about. So this was the imbalance, and boom, so this sells from here. You can see it, bro. This sales was the charts I sent out. First, when it took away these highs, it grabbed liquidity, and then what you got? See, let's go to here, and boom, it took these highs, grabbed liquidity, came back to take stop. It retraced back to this fair value gap, and boom. So this was the sales I was telling you about. Let's see. Let's now
Hey,
focus.
bro.
Yeah,
Oh no, I saw two imbalance there.
on this,
Yeah, look. Can you show my cursor?
my charts, this,
Okay.
which, bro,
Is
just
one?
make annotations on the chart, bro.
I can't.
At what point, bro? Which at this point?
Yeah, I can't, bro. But keep going. Keep going.
Are you talking imbalance at the sales or at the buys, bro? Which one?
It's two on the cells, and then yeah, it's just two on the. But it's small. It's small imbalance. It doesn't matter.
Can you show me? Just make an annotation. Which you can make annotation.
I can't.
You can send me a screenshot of it. But this is it. This imbalance, bro. You know why this imbalance, bro? It took away these highs, probably break of structure, out to go and take profits. Take profits here and take it. So let me check if I can have some because I do journalize my trades. Yeah, this was his video. I think either episode 4. See, this is long-term highs, Short-term
in the
highs.
media.
Have you watched this, bro?
Yeah, that's where I'm at right now. I gotta finish watching that, man.
Okay, this is really amazing. This video, bro.
Yeah, I gotta finish that. That's where I'm at right now.
You see this breaker sell. This is a breaker, bro. This is the breaker I was telling you about. If price retrace back here, I'm gonna take a sell on this. You can see this thing. You can see this, bro.
Take hit
Can you see
X
my
on a
can you see my cursor, bro?
yeah.
You can see that red line he drew out.
Can you hit X on the fib retracement so I can see the
Oh
market
yes.
structure?
Can you see it, bro? Can you see my cursor?
Yeah, I see, but can you hit X on the fib retracement on the
Okay, this,
settings? Hit X
this,
on it.
this yeah, this is the settings, bro. This is his settings, and I've applied those settings. You can apply it as well.
Gotcha, gotcha. But
Yeah.
wait, hit X on the fib retracement. Hit X on there.
I should talk about is like how to use the fib settings, right?
No, I'm saying hit X. Hit X
Okay,
on the so I can see market structure.
okay. This right.
Now go back.
I just have this, bro. I took screenshot of this, but I know this one will cover it. Because I took screenshot. I wanted to download this book. He said this book is good about market structures, and
Yeah.
so that's why. But you can see this is took away these lows. Is what he was talking about is long-term low. He took away these lows, and then it retraced to the long-term high. This is probably an order block. ICT order block. This is auto soup. It took away these highs and retraced back to this order block. And he showed a breakdown. This is the entry type of entry I told you about confirmation entry. Some people might take a sell here, someone might take a sell here to get confirmation. It's what price did, it broke down. As it broke down, you can see this is an imbalance. And this red line is entry, confirmation for an entry, and price did some little consolidation and boom. This is the breaker I was telling you about. This area is a breaker. This is the breaker as price took away this low I was telling you here. You can see this low, price took away. It's basically the same thing. Everything happens the same every time. This on the 15-minute chart. It took those low and it retraced back to this. And if you took an entry at this breaker, you see it down here. You understand, bro?
Gotcha.
Let me see if I got some more. I think I don't. I have more of it on my phone, bro. I have more of screenshots and things I journalize on my phone. You know? So we can still go back to the chart. So let me show you this RSI. This RSI, but I don't use it, but I see some guy using it on FBN. It traces ICT concept too. So and it does well with
Nah,
it. Yeah. No, not
it's
here.
the other one.
Yeah, not here, not here. This right? No. Yeah, this one. Relative index. No, this one. Let's see. You see what I was saying, bro? Like RSI will show you that this is probably SMT divergence. Yeah. You can see SMT here. If you assuming it took a sell, you can see this on RSI. You can see this divergence here on RSI.
Yeah, I see that one.
Yeah,
Yeah, I see that one. There's another one back here.
around this low, bro. You can see this one too. You can see this one. Or if you change this to line charts, you can see it more better.
Yeah.
I don't just like having this stuff, indicators and shit on my chart, bro. It just confuse me.
Yeah.
But people make money with it, you know. A lot of
Yeah.
people and their strategy. You just gotta, everyone has to trust their strategy, you know, what they believe will happen on the chart. Let's see if I can turn this to line charts and see what's up. Yeah, so you can see this low. This is this one. The confirmation that you can get a turning point around this, but with your, you can see it's grab liquidity, broke structure, and retrace back to this, and boom. Now you can see around this point, there's no down candle. This point of my FVG, you can see how price kept pushing up. You see this line,
Yeah.
no sell candle, just buy candle. So, and now I can see a break of structure around this point. If price can retrace back here, it should be a good selling with your stop loss above this high. So, and then if it can go straight to this fair value gap, we're looking for buys and stop loss are below this low. You know.
Yep. Looking for sales.
What?
Looking for sales on the breaker.
Yeah. Stop loss above this high. If you take a sell on this breaker, stop loss will be above this high. And but it could possibly push lower at times. It can just keep dropping and go
Yeah.
straight to this, or it can come back to this breaker. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's it, bro. You want to look at any other thing, bro?
Let's look at USD CAD.
Okay. I haven't looked at I haven't looked at forest pair for a while, bro. Over 3 months, bro. For real.
Bro, do you look at the index, US index?
Nah, I just look at only NAS, bro. For real, only NAS.
I look at the index to see the strength on the US dollar.
Okay, yeah. The charts, right?
Yeah, I try to see if it's going up, going down, if it's at a high,
Yeah,
or if it's at a low.
this data analysis from daily on the
Yeah, yeah.
all this. Let me mark out this area, bro. What's balance?
I see imbalance
Yeah,
on the daily. That's a
daily
nice.
chart. This daily price could possibly target this imbalance. So,
Mhm.
so bro, I saw you took a sales on USD card. What made you take the sell?
Um, let me see, bro. Let me go back.
This area is just, you see, bro. You see what price was doing at this area. This is
Yeah,
the something like a trend line liquidity that I was telling you about. People would think, okay, retail traders would think this is a resistant level, so let's take a sales. Let's take a sell. It kept trapping them, kept trapping them. Next thing is they took a sell. They tried to take a sell here, and it, boom, it took their stop loss. And you see where price target this imbalance. This is an imbalance too. This area,
yo,
this area is an imbalance. This area.
to where?
What? What, bro?
Oh, yeah.
So
Give me.
let's see. Let's break down to lower time frame, bro. I see USD card dropping some. I see a drop on USD card. I see drop.
I know why I got in now, bro.
What? What? Why?
Because of that imbalance. You see
Bro,
the imbalance?
can you show me, bro?
The imbalance is right there, right there.
Right here.
Yeah.
And I can see some here as well. I can see this imbalance here. You see, price broke down. This is a fair value gap on
Yeah,
lower time
that's
frame.
fine. Because
Yeah,
of that imbalance.
yeah,
That's why I got in, bro.
yeah. Very nice, bro. This is the 15-minute time frame. Let's keep pushing lower, bro. Let's break
He's
to 5.
wasting.
Let's break to 5 minutes. You can see it's already creating a support level, bro. This if you go to the 5 minutes, a lot of people will want to buy at this point.
I'm waiting for it to break that support.
Yeah, it's gonna break it. Probably during the during the New York
New
session.
York.
Yeah. This is a liquidity area. A lot of people took a buy and they have their stop loss below. So what price will do is just go to take their stop losses. So now let's talk about this. Let's talk about this, how price moves. Can you see my charts clear, bro? Don't know. I've made a mistake. But when we're done with this, we should look at the SRP charts that guy was talking about.
Oh yeah, let's look at that word.
I don't
For
know how
sure.
what I did. Yeah,
For sure, yeah.
made a mistake on my chart, bro. Let me just try to load it up. Still there, bro? Trying to load it up, bro. Just load it. And bro, you know when ICT was saying you have to know where to take partials before you even get into a trade. Like you should know where your partials will be before you get into a trade. Talked about taking partials at swing highs, at every swing high, every clean highs. Can you hear me, bro?
Yeah, I hear you, bro. My bad. I was texting my brother, man.
Okay. Yeah, I made a mistake on this trading view at times. I just expand that chart so much and it is difficult for me to. So what are we saying? This is the USD card chart. So we should anticipate for sell. Okay. See what price did. It probably took liquidity here, bro, if you can see. So see what price did is it took away their stops here and it raised it. This is the type of confirmation I look for, bro, on the chart. Whenever price gives me a drop like this, I just look for the imbalance, and this is an OB. This is ICT bearish order block, and you can see this imbalance is an indication that price will drop from there. So that's just what I just look for in price. Get an entry.
Say that
What?
to me, that's like a to me that's reversal pattern.
Smart money tools, right?
Reversal pattern.
Yeah. There's an indication to sell, and you can see it again. It's tapped into this medication candle. It broke down. It tapped into this imbalance. Just it gave you many opportunities to get an entry here. Bro.
Yep,
Yes, it
yep.
gave you many opportunities. And you can see this is a breaker. It broke
Yeah,
this
break.
low. Yes, and boom, it tapped in and you see the drop. So see, when ICT was talking about place to take partials is at every clean lows, because at every clean lows you have buy stops, and you can see this clean low, bro. This one, this lows, you can get reversals at this point, because you can have buys, you can have sell stops here at every clean low. So let's go to higher time frame so that you can see. Assuming you took a buys here at this swing high, you should be hunting to take partials. You can even see this pattern again here. You can see this pattern I was telling you about. This smart money tools. You can see this pattern again. The one you saw on Nasdaq, bro.
Yeah, that's divergence.
Is that smart money divergence, SMT divergence. You can see it here as well. So assuming you took a buys here, you should be hunting to take partials at this high, at this swing high. You can see at every swing high, price retrace a bit. At this swing high, price shows little down candles, little retracement. So if you take your partials here, you can take 25% off. When price hits here, you can take 10% off, and that's how it's going. You don't need to take all the pips. You don't need to eat all the pips, bro. I remember when I was trading, bro. I was up 90 pips. I can never forget this. I was up 90 pips, and you know what, bro? I didn't take partials. I was targeting 350 pips, and you know what's happened? Price retraced back to my entry, and I took nothing off the table. So what I just do is I hunt for partials. If you go to the 5-minute time frame, you can see little swing highs and swing low. You can see this at this high, you should take partial. As, as this high, you should take partial. You can see how what price did as it hit this high and it dropped and kept pushing. At this high, you should take partial, stuff like that. But I'm hunting for what is it called? For sales. So with this high, I'm hunting for the sales. This week, I'm hunting for sales to sell up. And it's probably come to this daily imbalance because I can see swing lows here and here. So most times, bro, whenever I see a fair value gap, you need to look for where liquidity is at. We have liquidity lying below those areas now. That's the thing.
Yep.
Yeah.
There's
Liquidity is the
liquidity
best.
here
Yeah.
and imbalance liquidity.
Yes, sir.
I wrote that down today in my notes.
Yo, what?
I said I wrote that down in my notes. We're looking
Okay.
for the lows and fair value gap. Lows, highs, and fair value gap.
Nice, bro. Nice, you take notes. I write most of the things he says. Like, he say fair value gap is a range in price delivery where one side of the market is offered and typically confound with a liquidity void. Okay, you see, he talked about liquidity void. He said fair value gaps. Liquidity void is when price keeps pushing, like when price sells off. Let me show you something. Let me show you what you can have as a void, bro. This could be a void, like everyone might think price wants to go up here at this point. And what you see is a sudden drop in price. Like this could be support area and everybody think price is going up. And what you have is boom, this is the void. And at this void, what you want for is at this area, you hunt for imbalance. Imbalance could be around this area. That is the fair value gap could be around this area. Then hunt for sell, stuff like that. Yeah, bro. So what's the time there, bro? It's about 5:30 a.m. here.
Bro, it's 11:38.
Yeah, bro. You should sleep, bro. You should rest, bro.
Nah, man, I don't work tomorrow.
Okay.
Yeah. I have to be up 5 in the morning on Tuesday.
Cool.
Go to work. Yeah.
Because, bro, I'll be going for this. I'll be going for some morning prayers by 6 a.m.
Okay, that's good. That's
So it's
good.
about 5:30, bro.
Hey, bro, there's a void right there.
What?
Isn't there a void right there?
What?
liquidity void right there, right? Oh,
At
that's fair value gap.
this point,
Yeah,
yeah.
it's not. It's a
Yeah,
void and
yes, that's a void. Yes, it's a void.
a fair value gap, but the
Yes,
void isn't filled. It's just the fair value gap is filled.
yes. Fine. Takes this high, breakdown, so stuff like FVG. So surprise just stop there. Bro, this concept, bro, like ICT said, it's not much you trade or its concept. The one I believe in, bro, I have confidence in the fair value gap, looking for the fair value gaps on lower time frame and
Yeah,
confirm my entry. Yes, it is a very powerful setup. Even since it started this mentorship, I haven't even looked at the charts and be talking about other blocks and stuff. I just look for imbalance, fair value gap.
yeah, man. I,
Yes, sir.
I try to add a couple things like breakers. I like breaker and the void. I look for it to fill the void.
Yeah,
Just like
breaker. Yeah, breaker is also a powerful. Is a powerful setup as well.
yeah. But order blocks, I don't really. It gotta
So,
be.
bro,
It gotta
bro,
be
people
normal.
teach. He said it on his video, bro. People teach a lot of shit about other block. They might say the last candle before the last up candle before the down move, and that's not what other block is. I think you should
Nah,
watch.
bro.
Yes, you should watch his either 9 on this mentorship. He talked about stuff like that. And other block. Okay, let me show you. I have my journal. Let me show you what I put on my journal, bro. I have journals on this. Okay, can you see this, bro?
Yeah, I see that.
Can you see how you determine your bullish order block? It must have the imbalance occupied with the down close candle and underlying narrative. Okay, these are some of my trades I've been journalizing on since I started trading NAS, bro. You can see this fair value gap, and this is an entry at the 50%, and you see what? Boom, sells up. What
Yeah,
confirms your entry? It took away these lows. It shows that it's already a shift in price. It's already a displacement in price, and it goes back to this imbalance. This is a 1 minute chart, I guess. This is a 1 minute chart, and you can take your entry and have your stops above this high, and you already have about 1 to 3 risk to reward on this. Let's look at some other setups I got. Is also fair value gap. You can see it's always showing on this chart, bro. It's showing every time. Break of structure, retrace to this imbalance, break of structure, this is an imbalance, and what you have, it retrace back. This is just like this concept on power of three. You can still see this SMT stuff here, this SMT divergence, which shows you that there's a reversal point on price. And what else? Let's see. What I got, what I've been. Okay, this was my entry. That trade I showed you just now. This is the entry. What made me took this entry is shift in price, and I hunt for fair value gaps on 5 minute time frame, and I got my entry here. Bro, you have journals for your trade, bro.
journal. I was journal. I don't. I'm not too good with journaling, but I'm gonna start journaling more. I have to
Yeah,
start.
bro, it's basic. Look at the trade, bro. Look at the trade here. You have buy stops here at this high, and you have buy stops at this place. This is a FVG on 5 minute time frame, and so entry here. This lows, and let's see if I got some. It is the trade before I took it. It was the trade before I took it. So I just this is only I'm the only one on this journal. I'll just make the journal for myself, not for anyone else. This one is also the 1 minute imbalance, bro. These things work. You can see this imbalance. I took a buy. Boom. Assuming you took a buy at this imbalance and you have your stop loss here, you already have 1 to 3 risks to reward on this setup, on this 1 minute. And trading a funded account, you might be up. You might be up depending on your risk. You might be up 5%, or might be up 2% on this trade, risking 1%, or you might be up 1.5%, risking 0.5% on this 1 minute, bro. This is one thing I love about NAS. I love it moves. This one is also FVG and 50% discount. You can see, bro. I was showing someone something. This is an order block. The time ICT has not started this is mentorship, I do see this as an order block. Like this place I marked out here, I might be saying I want to sell at this point. You can see no imbalance at this place. So this order block is not valid. You can see this, bro.
You said there's no fair value gap?
Yes, fair value gap at this. Like a lot of people will be willing to sell at this point, thinking this is an order block, bro.
Yeah, it's not.
And it is not. But look at this imbalance. Whenever you have an order block, an imbalance very close to an order block, it makes order block valid. Okay, this is an order block. This down close candle. You can see the porous move in price. Price kept pushing without no down candle. And this is the fair value gap. And this will guarantee your entry. And this is 50% discount on price. This is just journal. It's good to journal trade so that whenever you feel like having losing streak or stuff like that, you can check out your trades.
And you do this on Telegram.
Yeah.
Nice, nice.
So when he started his mentorship, grab availability, lesson on gold, see what charts might look small. Not playing at all. Yeah, bro. So I'll end this call, bro.
Gonna end it? No.
Yeah.
Oh, XRP.
Oh yeah. Yes, sir.
Let's check that out real quick.
Yeah. Bro, what crypto are you looking at? Like what cryptos you think you start?
I only look at XRP and BTC.
Okay. This is the 4-hour chart. Let me zoom out, bro.
Start on daily.
Yeah, let's start on daily too. Imagine you got in here, bro.
What happened?
Imagine
Oh,
you
yeah.
bought SRP at this point. Yeah.
Oh,
You would be a
man.
billionaire by now, bro.
Should I be a millionaire?
Yeah. So yeah. Let's look at what we have. Looks like it's been selling off, but probably catch some buys. Daily charts still imbalance. It's back to the imbalance and it's pushing up. It might go bullish, bro.
Should I get?
Probably go bullish at this moment. But let's look it for I don't use trend line, but I use it. So this was the imbalance I was telling you about, bro. This area,
Yeah.
this value gap. If I'm hunting for buys, you might hunt for buys at this area. This is just exactly the same setup we have on NAS right now. I think what I feel, bro. Look at this. Look at this move. This is just like a support level.
Yeah.
A lot of people want to buy at this level, bro.
It's retail support.
It's support. You can see price is already reacting from bid. And what next you might feel is price might just drop from this point. Price might push up a bit and you have a void. What you see is what you see is price drop into this fair value gap and leaves this high. This is just what I see on SRP right now. I see it trace back. You can see this thing I told you about, this SMT. You can still see it here. It
Oh yeah,
happens
that is.
happens on every chart. It happens like this thing, bro. Oh, bro, ICT is so powerful, man. This is the this is the
Wait, bro.
yeah,
What confirms that? Can you explain it
confirms
to me? I
confirms
haven't
what
like
confirms what, bro.
that SMT. Like how do you how does it confirms
Yes,
it in your
when
brain?
like SMT, what confirms like SMT is something is what confirms that this could be a reversal point when you see an imbalance or an order block close to an imbalance. You understand? You can see a break of structure, a little break of structure. It took away this high. Taking away this high is very essential. Like, is a confirmation that price will go bullish. Like it might go bullish whenever it retraces back to this point. So this SMT, as I can see an imbalance here, can see an imbalance here. So what I'll be hunting is 50% of the imbalance for price to go up. As I can see an imbalance here, what I'll be, and as I can see an SMT, I can see this SMT divergence. It shows that
Wait,
this could be a turning point in price. You understand, bro?
bro, wait. What what did you say confirms the SMT? Like how do you know it's SMT?
That's what I'm saying. How you know, like SMTs swing low, like when price takes this low, you can see this low, bro.
Yeah, yeah.
This low is grab on liquidity, and whenever price takes away this liquidity, people were buying at this point, thinking price will go up. So what price did is it took away their stop loss here and rallied up. You get me, bro?
Yeah, bro. And it filled the imbalance. You see the imbalance in the back?
At which point, bro? Yeah.
Go back, go back, go back, go back.
Oh yeah, I can
Imbalance.
see around this point, right?
Yeah, it filled that imbalance
Yes.
and then it made a breaker too.
Yes.
You see the breaker right here?
At this point,
Right there. That's a breaker, right?
yeah. Break, break of
So,
structure.
so now it's just consolidating.
Yeah. Taking
It's gonna
orders.
it's gonna manipulate down to go up. It's
Yeah.
gonna fill that imbalance.
Yes, sir. That's it, bro.
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah. But I just have about 10 minutes left. So maybe tomorrow, same time, anytime, bro. Anytime you have, just hit me
Yeah,
up, bro.
yeah, bro. We can do more. Definitely tonight. I'm available.
Okay, bro.
Get some rest, bro.
Okay. I'm not getting some rest, bro. I'm preparing to go to church, bro. This is time for morning prayers.
Damn, bro.
So after that,
After
yeah.
after that, yeah, get some rest, bro.
Okay, I'm going for coding class. I'm learning coding. Remember I told you.
Yeah, you think that's gonna help you with trading?
Yeah, bro, definitely. Even ICT said, I just saw some of his videos. He said he has programming background, bro. If you can see ICT concept methodology is like he has methods, like he works with method. You understand, bro?
It's like
He said,
technical, right?
yes, it's so technical. He said he has programming background. He did computer science in his school and stuff like that.
Yeah, I gotta check that out. I used to do coding, but it was like basic.
Yeah, coding is good, bro, and you can develop your this thing. You can develop an AI for your trading, but stuff like that.
Got you, bro.
That
Got
match your
you.
concept. Yes, so I've been learning that, bro.
Yeah, I talk to you. Talk to you later, bro.
Okay, bro.
Have a good one, man. See you.
Too, bro.
Nice call,
Yeah.
bro.
Take care, bro. Bye.
You too, bro.